Hello friends, in this video we'll see how we can start creating API in Node.js using TypeScript. So here I have already posted an article in our Medium, and here you can see there are different reasons why it's being preferred over JavaScript. So it's the comparison, and the main benefit is let me show you what exactly is the main language. So it is a mainly object-oriented language which makes the app code more consistent, simple, clean, testable, reusable. So they are the basic factors due to which TypeScript is being preferred over any kind of applications, right? Either it's server side, client side, everything. So here we have the benefits: static typing, better choice for large coding projects, better collaboration, better productivity. They are the reasons due to which the developers are also preferring to work on server side and client side apps. So now we will see how we can create or start working with TypeScript back, because initially it seems very fearful that how it will work and what will be the flow here, but here it's not that much tough. If you have experience in Node.js in JavaScript, then you can easily work here also, right? So here we will create a basic app, hello world app here, to show you the basic flow, how it works, how it compiles everything, right? So at first let's start with creating the folder here. And here at first I will create the package.json file with default configuration, and after it I'll install TypeScript. Meanwhile, I'll open the project in my editor. So here if we click on so here we have the basic things, and here we have the basic package.json file created recently, and let's check if it is installed. Yeah, so TypeScript is also installed, and here I'll add a script tsc command for transpiling the code. Let me show you why we are adding this. Yeah, so as we know that Angular or any framework uses TypeScript, at the end while compiling or while creating the build, it is converting everything from the TS to the normal JavaScript code, right? So that it can be easily understood by the browser or other engines who is reading these codes, right? So at the end we convert everything into JavaScript. So the same approach is followed in Angular also. The same approach will follow here. Whatever we write in TypeScript will be converted in JavaScript at the end. Okay, so now the next thing is to install the to create the tsconfig.json file. Now the question is, what is this file and why we are creating this file? So it is a configuration file for TypeScript which guided the compiler while it generates the JavaScript for the project, right? So whatever definition will be mentioned in this file, the app will compile accordingly as per that information. So let's run this command here. So you can see here that the tsconfig file has been generated for us, and now if we open this file, then we have a basic things. We can see here that the which version we want to convert, module, the strict option, and then ES intermodal. These are the basic things which is being defined here. So at higher level, if you work with TypeScript, then it will be needed to play with this file, right? But here, since we are working with very basic level app, right, so we don't need to touch this section. So now if let's move to create the server.js file. So here I'm creating a file folder named server, and inside it I'll create a file server.js. So sorry, ts. So this is the file where we will write our code, and then now the next thing is to install the Express. And the last thing, we need to add the code, TypeScript code, into our .ts file here. So let me correct this. Here we need to correct the basic one, because I have whatever I copied is not in the correct format. I think that's it. So here we have a proper you can say app in TypeScript which will run on browser, and everything is fine. So now we'll create the transpile the code so that it will be converted from TypeScript to JavaScript. So for that we need to run that script command which we have added, and we have run tsc. We have run here this command. Let me show you this one. So it is a command which mainly converts all the TypeScript into the JavaScript. So I guess that is, this is done. Now the simple thing we need to do, we need to run the generated file. So here we'll do server and server.js. So we are not running ts file, we are running js file, the transpiled file here. So we can see that the app is running, and if we run the app over browser, so you can see that the message is showing here what we have printed over the browser. So I have tried to explain the very basic flow. I'm not going to show a very high level app. I have just tried to convey you the basic flow, by following which you can start working on Node.js APIs using TypeScript. So further on you can you can separate the things at module wise, and as per the requirement you can explore the app, right? So thanks for watching this video till end, and I hope it helped you. And if you are like a Node.js or other JavaScript frameworks developer, then I would recommend you to subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you.